Good morning everyone, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to start off Unit 14, which is called Volume. Of course, everyone's first question is going to be, what is volume? So volume is the space taken up by an object. Now, so for example, if you just have a look at your book, this is a 3D object, isn't it, you guys? Look. And every 3D object takes up a certain amount of space. Okay, now the space that is taken up by that object is its volume. Okay, you guys, so on page 232 in your textbook, it says, understanding volume. I pour some colored water into each container. So we can see there is blue water in all three containers, a different amount. Okay, the colored water takes up space in each container. Yes, it does, you see. It takes up space, and here as well. The volume of colored water in each container is the space that it takes. So here in these containers, the amount of water that you see is the volume. Okay everyone, so on page 233 it says, let's explore. This is a bit of an experiment. I'd like you guys to do this with me. Okay. Does the volume of water change when it is poured into three different containers? That is the question. Now it says, let's find out. What do you need? You need three empty containers of different sizes. Okay. I would like you guys to have transparent ones so you can see the different amounts of water. Okay. Then what we're going to do, we're going to fill one container with some water. Okay. Mark the level of water in the container, then pour the water into the second container. So now the question is, has the volume of the water changed? Okay, so on this table, you guys, I have three different containers. They're all transparent. Okay. And I also have blue water. Yes, I used some kind of food coloring. If you guys have something like that at home, it's fine. You can ask your parents. And if not, you could just use clear water. That's all right as well. Just as long as you mark the water in the container, okay? Now I'm going to pour some water into the first container. There we go. And I'm going to mark on the container that the water is right till here. Okay? And there we go. Now it says that we had to pour the water into the second container. Okay? So I'm going to take this, I'm going to pour it into the second container. Okay? So this was the mark for the first one, you guys, right here. And the mark for the second one is right here. So what do you guys think? Does the volume change? When we poured the liquid from the first container into the second, did the volume change? Okay, so now from the second container, we're going to pour the liquid back into the first. And then we will pour it into the third container and then compare it as well. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. I'm going to pour it back. Okay. All right, you see, it's still touching the same mark. Okay. Now here is the third one. I'm going to pick this one up again. Okay. I'm going to pour it into the third container. And there you go. I'm not going to mark it on the glass, you guys, but you can see that it comes till here. Okay. So, of course, different sizes, different containers would have different volumes. This is what this experiment shows us.